This is at the old Westminster Mall site, which is the new downtown site. And along 88th Avenue at the Allen Ditch, we had a big cottonwood tree. And the tree had to be removed because of the road construction which has to come through here. In the tree was a beehive, and we wanted to save the beehive and to relocate that. We had the top of the tree removed, and the next step was to move the hive, which is in the lower section of this tree. It's a big tree, as you can see as well. So we removed that. The next step, or remove the top. The next step is to screen off the opening of the beehive, and then we're going to cut the tree, and we're going to lift the trunk with the hive in it and load it onto a trailer, and it's going to be hauled out to on a farm site, and it'll be placed there for the bees to live. And we waited to remove the tree until the winter because we needed the canal to be empty to give us better access, and it also helps in the wintertime. The bees aren't as active also. Once we have the tree cut down to a low stump, then it's up to the developer to come in and remove the roots, and I believe they will have a bridge that'll go over the canal to add this alley in through here.